Thank you again for joining me in today's video. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Yemi. For starters, I'm working with a 1B frontal, so I'm going to go ahead and lift it to like a level 9-10 ish with the dark roots. So anyway, right here I'm mixing my bleach and my developer together. I'm using the 30 volume developer. To avoid blotches on your color on your lift, make sure to saturate the sections as much as you can. As you can see, the way I'm doing in the video, I'm making sure to saturate it as much as I can. You can never have too much bleach. You can only have not enough bleach, so make sure to do that. I've decided to leave out the roots and go back in with the bleach later when the whole hair is blonde. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want to over bleach my knots. I don't want a situation whereby you've left the bleach on for too long because you're waiting for the hair to be blonde. That way you're overstressing the knots and that can cause shedding. We don't want shedding here, so that's why I'm doing this. And again, I want my roots to be darker. I'm going to go in with a darker shade for the roots. So there's really no need to bleach your roots to a level 10. For the bundles, I'm using a level 20 developer to mix my colors. I use a different color for the brown and then a different color for the whitish blonde. I'll make sure to leave all the information in the description, so please check it out. Right here, I'm applying a level 5 natural to the roots, just like I said earlier. And then afterwards, I'm going to follow up with the same color I used on the whitish blonde. I'm going to then go ahead and make my bundles into a wig. I'm going to start with the brown bundle, the darkest one, and then followed with the lighter one. I have an in-depth tutorial on my channel of how I make my wig, so I'm going to go ahead and leave the link below. And right here, I'm just blow drying the wig. Add some light layers to the wig. I applied some serum as well, just to add shine and make the hair more manageable. Anytime you're using it, please don't forget your heat protector. It's very important, especially with raw hair. I find that raw hair can burn easily. if you're not careful, because you know it has no extra chemical on the strands. The strands are pure. So if you're not a professional, please don't attempt to style raw hair with it. And if you want to style raw hair with it, use a heat protector. Check the description section for all the list of products, from the cap to the wig tripod to the wig stand, the wig block, my styling tools, the heat protector I'm using, hairspray, basically everything. I'm going to link everything in the description section, so please check it out. I have an in-depth tutorial of how I style my wigs, because I don't want this video to be extra long, so I decided I'm gonna link a link to that video as well. When I'm done with the curls, I'm going to apply a bit of serum in my hands like that and run it slightly through the hair, just so that we can loosen our curls a bit. I mean, some people wear their curls like this, it's just not for me. So anyway, yeah, that is what we are working with. We are working with this beautiful fluffy blonde wig. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.